Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Rise and Align. And my name is Ishanki, and today I am here with a life experience. So, while I was a kid, I used to love painting, sketching, drawing. I was so passionate about it that even if I was told to paint in the midnight, I would do it with a lot of excitement. I was mad for art. Uh, yeah. Okay. So then few years passed and it was 12th when finally we have to choose our sorry, choose our subjects for our future that decides our life. So I was very clear कि I had to opt for some creative field and not some tech. I did sit for BCA, BTech exams, but I was not ready. My parents insisted कि ठीक है BCA कर लो, but I was very sure कि मुझे तो नहीं करना है because I was not interested. It would not interest me even 1%, and I knew कि मेरे को वो boring life नहीं जीनी है. So yeah, so I had very clearly two options. First, related to art. Okay, so first was fine arts, bachelor's is in fine arts, and the second one is bachelor's in architecture. That is BArch. So I thought a lot because at that point of time when you pass, you are just in the middle of um, nowhere. You have passed 12th, but you have not got the admission in any college, and all of your friends are already in college or they have started their new life, new journey, and everyone is pressurizing you कि सोचो क्या सोचा every day the relatives are calling क्या सोचा कुछ हुआ and I still remember that pressure on my head as a 12th kid. Yeah, I was a kid. I would say I was an immature kid जिसको नहीं पता कि आगे क्या लाइफ है. I've just enjoyed my life till now with friends, with parents, with everyone, and suddenly you have this choice जहाँ पे your life will be impacted, your parents' life will be impacted. So yeah, I was I had a mental breakdown at that point of time क्योंकि I was not able to decide. I had these two options, fine arts and architecture, and I thought कि ठीक है fine arts भी कर सकते हैं because I was very much interested in arts. But then this was a thought कि ठीक है अगर fine arts कर भी ली, I will be very happy. I will be very satisfied. It will be a success for me. It might not look like I'm successful to the world, but yes, I will be very successful in my own self, with myself. Even if I do not earn a good amount of money, and still I will enjoy my life. And then there was the second option, bachelor's of architecture, which is also a kind of artistic field. And yeah, so I was very confused among these two. And then I took a decision. Let's go for BArch. क्यों? क्योंकि it sounds so cool, यार. Architect Ishanki. My parents will be so proud of me. And obviously, architects are so rich, bhai. Okay, so that was my vision at that point of time. I opted for BArch. Someone also warned me कि यहाँ पे बहुत अगर आप passionate नहीं हो तो it won't work. बट आई वाज श्योर कि मुझे तो यही करना है, बीटेक तो नहीं करनी. और फाइन आर्ट्स वाला ऑप्शन मैंने साइड कर दिया था क्योंकि यहाँ पे मुझे नेम फेम मनी सब कुछ मेरे माइंड में मुझे मिल चुका था. ओके ओके सर, जैसे तैसे आई कंप्लीटेड माई 5 years ऑफ जर्नी इन कॉलेज. या इट वॉज टफ एक्चुअली क्योंकि एक तो फ्रेंड्स के साथ You enjoy, and you you do stuff, you complete things, you complete the submissions, you go through all the juries, and that still works. And then the main part came when I passed out of my college in 2021, and it was the time to earn money. It was time to take a fresh start in the field, in the job. एंड एक्चुअली यहाँ हम हमारे सोसाइटी में बहुत ही अलग सा एक सिस्टम है जहाँ पे व्हाट यू आर टॉट इन कॉलेज इज नॉट एट ऑल रिलेटेड टू द फील्ड नॉलेज, राइट, टू द प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स. So first job, I was very frustrated क्योंकि I had no idea about the practical things of architecture or interior or landscaping, like relate related any related thing. Because field पे obviously there are very much different और theoretical knowledge is very much different. जैसे तैसे सीखा, फर्स्ट जॉब हो गई, देन सेकंड जॉब बहुत ही स्लो जॉब थी सेकंड वन. तो आई वाज लाइक मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, ग्रोथ नहीं है एंड ऑल. देन आई स्विच टू द थर्ड sorry then I switched to the third job. The third job was a lot toxic. The people were very toxic, and in these 3 4 years I did not realize कि I'm not enjoying my work. I'm just living to earn, जो कि मैं कभी चाहती ही नहीं थी. That was the whole point of choosing the artistic field, कि I should not get bored. But you know what? I did. And I started playing ukulele along with singing. I started to make paintings, create texture artworks and all. And 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 that was it. I did not realize anything till then. And then today I was reading this novel which says, just a second, which says distractions don't win, weak goals lose. I I am not able to concentrate. I am not able to focus on my job. I feel it daily. It feels like a pressure. It feels like a burden to get up, to travel for 1.5 hour to my office and then work without any interest, without my pouring my heart into it. And I keep on using my phone. I keep on getting distracted कि मन नहीं लग रहा, मन नहीं कर रहा आज काम करने का and all. And today is the day then when I realized कि yes, क्यों नहीं कर रहा है मेरा मन? Because that is a weak goal. That is not as strong as my passion. It's not worthy of my success. Like it's not as strong कि वो मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना होने दे. I am getting distracted because I do not love my job. I'm not loving my job. I have interest in architecture, designing interiors, but I have interest in designing which I am not able to get in my job. I'm just there to go, use mouse, sit in front of the screen for 8 to 9 hours, draft, and do whatever I'm told to do. Is that life worthy? Is that what I wanted? No. And that is why I am not loving my life. I'm not loving my job. And that is the reason I'm not earning well. Because क्योंकि जब भी when I sit to paint, when I sit to sing, I put my whole heart into it. I enjoy every moment of it. So that is the moral कि you should not fall for this trap to get rich, to make your parents proud because of your name and fame and whatever. Your goal should be to enjoy your life. and not impress people. I opted for it because I was in that zone to impress people. If I had to choose myself, if I had to choose what I love, I would have opted for fine arts. But yes, life has different plans, I think. I am now inclining towards arts and singing and whatever. But I now believe that it is much more important to enjoy your life more than impressing others or showing off your profession, your career, your money, your name, fame, whatever. No one will come while you are in stress or depressed or in your um, mental breakdown. No one will come to rescue you. You are the only one who will have to stand for yourself. Be so much firm, be so much strong in your choice that the world's noise does not matter. Thank you. I hope you liked it. I hope I did not bore you. And I'm so sorry for such a long video and such a long story. Thank you. Love yourself, love your family, stay connected to the divine, and sit with yourself, spend time with yourself, love yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.